How are you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for tuning in. Today on our radar, we have the Travelers Companies on the daily chart, and their ticker symbol is TRV. Okay, so first and foremost, thank you. If you have any questions or any recommendations of any charts, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section as usual. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new for future videos. Thank you so much, and let's get right into it. So for TRV, I see that they basically have been pushing up really aggressive. So for me, I would like to see maybe a little bit of a release coming downward. So for me, that would look like something like where they either come down to this area of $330 and then continue upward towards that 443 around there, or if they're going to actually end up breaking past that 330 mark and then actually make it down to 324. I would like to see a slight retest of that 328 and then continuation downward towards this last level of support where we can actually target that $310. If they do end up wanting to break that level, I mean, there's really not much that I'm going to be looking towards the left. So I don't have anything to basically target at this point. I mean, there are tools that you may use, like for example, if you wanted to use your Fibonacci, then obviously, yes, you can do that to where you're using your Fibonacci and then you're saying, okay, cool. If we do end up getting in at this $330 level and we want to actually target like a negative 27 or negative 61.8, even a 50, we actually can do that. Another way, and this is a good tip, another way, if you don't want to use a Fibonacci and you want to say, okay, I've never seen this price been here before, so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and target that area. You can take the last swing of this level, of this wick, all the way down to where it was here, right? Boom, right? So from that point and that point, I don't know why it's purple. From that point and that point, right? Let's say that it does end up coming up here, right? Boom. Then you would say, okay, I want to go ahead and target this where it's here like this. Boom. And then now what you're going to do is you're going to target that $392 mark, right? That's what you can do, right? Let's say that it ends up coming here to this $310 and then heading higher, then you can also target that. You can do this. Boom. And now you can target that $371 area. See what I'm saying? So these are ways that even though there's nothing projected towards the left side right at the moment, or for as far as I'm going, right? This is a good learning experience. You can actually target these levels just by doing that. Like that's basically it. So, and again, the reason why I'm targeting this area here is because there is a level here of just having a resistance level. So I'm more keen to, like, if price does end up falling to this area, I would like to see if they're gonna actually take that that level at 310 and then continue going upwards from there. My last area to look for buying opportunities is 287, 286 level in this area to then go up. So this is what basically that looks like. Okay. This is what that looks like. So if price wanted to actually continue breaking past this 307, it would basically make its way down to 287. But for now, this is our first, run going upwards. Like that's it. So, and usually, just another tip, usually that first move of a retracement is usually the weakest one, to where price can make a lower high here and then continue coming down. So it would look something like this. It would look like this. So it'll end up breaking, right? It'll end up coming down, breaking this level of support, excuse me, and then creating a lower high and then continuing downward. And then sometimes this can actually go all the way down to here and then actually give you that move going towards the upside. So for now, I'm just going to leave it as is and then, just basically play off that. That's it. So again, if you have any questions or any comments on the video or any other stuff that you would like for me to break down, please feel free to leave those in the comment section. Please feel free to like the video if you stood this long. And if you have stayed this long, let me know down in the comments. How long have you been trading? What are some issues that you're having that maybe I can do a video on and give you my side of what can help you. So thank you so much. I greatly appreciate everyone's time and effort in watching this video all the way through. And I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you for tuning in. Have a good one. Many blessings and have a great week. Peace.